Very good morning, all the students of 5th standard. We are learning here 10th lesson of our historic period on the page number 45. What is culture? First one point. Second one, ancient civilization in river valleys. Third one point, ancient riverine civilizations, Mesopotamia, Egypt, China, Harappa. And the last one point, sports and entertainment. These points we have to learn. So we shall start this one. We have seen in a lessons to that written records are available in the form of inscriptions. Some written records are there. They are available in the form of inscriptions. They are available in the form of writings. There's manuscripts, books are also etc. there. For the historic period, in all ancient civilizations, the art of writing was developed. In all the historic ancient civilization there, art of writing is available there. It started to be developed. They use fully developed script, and along with that, people they use developed script. They use their. In other words, with the rise of ancient civilization, the new Stone Age came to an end, and the historic period began. In another word, if you will say, then we can say that the age of New Stone Age came to an end, and historic period started there. What is culture now? Next one point. What is meant by culture? Humans and all other animals are dependent on their environment. Human beings and other animals, they are dependent on the environment and natures for satisfying their needs. And nature is also there. They depend on environment to satisfy their need. What is our need is there. To satisfy, to fulfill our need, we are depend on the environment. However, other animals do not cause any significant changes in their surrounding. But the animals are there. Those who are other animals are there. They do not cause any kind of changes into the environment. Whatever the environment is there, it's supposed to be same as it is. But the human being, they never keep the environment as it is. They make changes into the environment. Where we are sitting, we will not sit silently. We will make changes into that. For example, ground is there, open space ground is there. There we build our house. We are making changes into the environment. It means that we human change the natural character of our surrounding to some extent. We make changes in it. Humans do not eat their food in its natural form as other animals do that. Means how the other animal is there, how they ate the food in the original form, like same way we do not eat. For example, a cow is there, buffalo is there, ox is there, otherwise a sheep is there, goat is there. They eat their food into the natural form. But we do not eat the food in our natural form, that which is available in nature. We will make changes. For example, rice. As it is, we eat rice. That rice we boil, and after boiling, we will make the boiled rice or cooked rice, and then we eat. So we make changes in it. We do not eat the food whatever available in nature in its original form there. They roast or cook the food. Human beings, they roast the food or they cook the food. Roast. For example, roti we can call that, or chapati we say that. So roti or chapati we roast, and rice is there, otherwise any vegetables are there that we cook. So they roast or they cook the food and then they eat. Or in other words, they process food stuff before eating them. Or in other words, we can say that they make process on the food stuff, that what the food is there. We make the process on it. Before to eat, we make the process and then we eat the food. The process, they process many substances in a similar manner. Different substances are there that we process into the different similar manner, that after the making process only we eat the food. Without making process, we will never eat food there. So processing is there. We make the process of food and then afterward we eat food after making processing there. They work on stones, metals. They process many substances in a similar manner. They work on stone, metals, etc. to make tools and various objects there. So processing they make on the stones, otherwise on other metals there. For example, processing of the stones we make there, processing of the other metals that we use or to we make by the different metals we make the different object there. They make the pots, bricks, and many other things from clay. Pots or the bricks we make or different other things we make from the different clays there. They obtain yarn from the cotton and weave the cloth from the yarn. From the cotton, what are the cotton yarns are there? We make or we obtain the yarn from the cotton, and from the yarn we make the clothes and we wear. In short, according to their needs, they change the form of material available in nature. So in short, we can say whatever the material is available in the nature, we make changes into that materials, and after making the changes of materials, we use it. They need skills to do this. So to make the changes of materials which is available in nature, we need that type of skill. So we have the skill, we use our skill to make changes in it. So cotton is there. As it is cotton, we cover ourselves. By the cotton we obtain the yarn. By the yarn we weave the cloths, and by weaving the cloths, afterward we stitch it, and after stitching we wear it. So in this way we make the changes in it. They need skill to do this. They need to think and plan before they shape an object. So we need to be think, and also we need to make a different plans before to shape that objects there. Then they have to put in efforts to actually shape it. We have to put different we have to put our efforts to shape these things to objects. The tradition of thoughts, skills, and efforts gave rise to various arts. The tradition of thoughts, their skills there, the efforts, it gave rise to the different various arts there. Every generation handed over the knowledge of the artistic skill. Each and every generation they handed over the knowledge of artistic skill there. Whatever skill we have, that skill we handed over to our next generation, and traditions to the next generation. With this exchange of thoughts and idea, language was enriched there. So our language was enriched. It was well developed there. The knowledge of various arts and the skill and tradition inherited from generation to generation. We pass our knowledge, our ideas, our skills from one generation to the another generation, and the way of life founded on that knowledge is what we call the culture. So whatever the knowledge we inherited, we generate, we pass to the one generation to another generation, it is called as a culture. So this we can call as a culture. So today what we'll do, today we'll stop here. Tomorrow when we'll see then we'll see the next one point. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.